Plans to search the Prairie Green landfill began several months ago, says Manitoba Premier Wab Kinew. Yesterday, his government approved a special environmental license to get things going. Kinew says the search will be conducted in a different way than what was proposed in previously released feasibility studies.
We're doing so for two specific reasons. One is that we've made a significant advancement in terms of identifying where we believe the remains are within the site. And the second is that we have found what we believe to be a better approach to searching the landfill material.
Kinew says the trial of Jeremy Skibicki provided a clearer picture of where the remains are likely to be.
And they are actually closer to the middle of these cells rather than closer to the surface.
Kinew says they will need to excavate the top layers to get to material dumped on May 16th, 2022, when they believe the remains were deposited. This will now be done manually rather than through a conveyor belt system as originally proposed.
The reasons why we're proceeding with this manual search is that after having our team and our experts look into this, we have concluded that this is going to allow us to move forward in a much more robust fashion with a more thorough search with less downtime. If we use a conveyor belt system, if the belt breaks, the whole search comes to a stop. And we're trying to avoid that. The families have been forced to wait long enough.
Landfill searchers will be hired throughout the summer and receive extensive training. He says no new funding will be provided on top of the combined $40 million the provincial and federal governments has promised, but he says it will be enough. He says the search could realistically continue into 2026. Kinew wouldn't provide comment on if the Brady Road landfill will also be searched. Sav Jonesa, APTN National News, Winnipeg.